Hello. We are PJ Masks.
I'm Catboy. I'm blue.
I'm Owlette. I'm red.
I'm Gekko. I'm green.
We are going to make sand pies. We need shovels. Red, green, blue. Did we give the shovels correctly? No, we didn't. Let's swap them. Is this correct? No, it's not correct either. Is this correct? Yes. Now all the colors are at their places. Blue, red, green. Let's choose the molds. Red butterfly, green flower, blue sea star. Did we give the molds correctly? No, we didn't. Is this correct? No, it's not correct either. Let's swap them. Is this correct? Yes, now everything is correct. Blue for Catboy, red for Owlette, green for Gekko. Let's make a sea star. A sea star. Blue. Now let's make a butterfly. A butterfly. Red. Let's make a flower. A flower. Green. Blue for Catboy. Red for Owlette. Green for Gekko. Well done to us. Did you like it?
Hey friends! Look what I found!
Where are you, Gekko? How many toys?
Someone forgot his molds. Let's play with them. Let's build this plane. Great! I take the spade. I'm turning it upside down. Ta-da! A plane! Mine is super lasers converters ready. How can I test it? Let's see. Who's that? Ah, the PJ Masks playing. Well, I'll give you the game. Oh, what happened?
The toy became a crocodile.
I'm sure that's Romeo's tricks. I recognize his hand. We must find him right now. I'll distract the crocodile. And I'll go and find Romeo.
And I'll help Gekko.
Hey, monster, I'm here. Try to get me. You won't catch me, no way.
Look, Gekko, what I found. We will put a fence and the crocodile won't be able to attack anyone. Don't you like it?
We did it!
Yes, great!
But where's Catboy? Look out, Romeo. Here I come. Aha! I see you. Stand still, Romeo. Oh, Catboy found me. Time to run away. Don't move, Romeo. In your dreams. I'm throwing the net. Ta-da! What is this? Help! I'm caught! We've got you, villain. Help! You ruined my perfect plan. Here I go. Look who I've got. Look what you've done! You have to fix it.
Yes, make our plane back.
Well, I'll fix it. Just let me out.
Okay, we believe you.
Reconfigure your laser. Hey, my plan was so good. You always spoil everything for me. Hooray. We can go play now. We'll take your laser with us so that you won't harm anyone else. Come on. Oh, they took away my death ray? No, no, no! Then I'll invent something else. Even better. I'll make you squirm yet.
Where is this girl going to? What a pretty green shovel. I really like it. Here it is. Ouch. Great. Well done. I like other people's toys.
Do you hear someone crying? Let's check it out. Aha! Now I see. I think Luna Girl was here. Let's go. We have to find her. I see her. Move out.
Oh, they found me. I have to run away.
Give us the toy back.
It didn't work out. The shovel was so good.
Just you wait, Luna Girl. It's very bad to steal other people's toys. We have to return the shovel back to its owner. Let's go. We're real superheroes.